In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the drive letter of a hard drive. If I open up my File Explorer and go to this PC, you can see I have my D drive. But perhaps I no longer want it to be the D drive, I want it to be the M drive or H drive. So we can actually change this within Windows 10 without needing to download any additional programs. So to do this, all we need to do is open up the Start menu. You then need to type in Disk, Management, and then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. You will then end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to find the hard drive that you want to change the drive letter for, but before you do this, back up any important data, files and stuff like that that's on the hard drive just in case anything was to go wrong. So I now need to right click on my D drive and then click on Change Drive Letter and Paths. You now need to select the drive and then click on Change. And we can now assign a new drive letter. So I'm going to go with M and then I need to press OK. You will then get a warning saying some programs that rely on the drive letters may not run correctly. So just ensure that you're happy and we can then go ahead and press Yes. So it's now changed it to the M drive. If I minimize this management, so you can now see that I have my M drive there, which is my new drive letter. So that is it. That is how you change the drive letter for a hard drive in Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.